Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and welcome to the September 2021 Sheetload of Cards. I hesitated when I said September because I said it and then I thought it can't really be September, but yes it is. So this is the Sheetload of Cards, and you're going to say, what is a Sheetload of Cards? Well, Sheetload of Cards is the brainchild of Alicia from the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel. Every month she comes out with a sketch and supply list and a cutting guide and shows you how you can make a set of cards. This month you could make 8 cards, and you could use 2 sheets of scrapbook paper, designer paper, printed paper, whatever you want to call it, or I used 8 sets of 6x6 paper. And let me tell you, this was fabulous. It really is a great sketch and supply list. So I used the Doodlebug Fairy Garden, and I did purchase shaped sprinkles, and you'll see them on the cards, but they're gone. This is an SVG I downloaded from Doodlebug. I'm going to show you a close-up of that. Do you see how intricate that is? Do you know how many little pieces of paper I had to cut? I mean, it was fine. It was fun, and it came out really neat, but if you have a Cricut, you might be able to commiserate with me on that. So anyhow, let me show you the cards that I made. And let me show you my first set of cards. So there they are. Now I used 2 sentiments. I used Happy Birthday and Thank You. They came from this Ariel Everyday Circle tags, and I didn't obviously use them with a circle because there is the banner that went with this sketch. And then obviously I used 2 sheets of that 6x6 paper, and I loved it because the 6x6 Doodlebug paper has the teeny tiny prints, and it looks really nice together. So anyhow, there is, and you see how I used the little shape sprinkles. I added that because it added a little pop to it, but I still used my SVG. So here's another set. This one, I'm going to tell you they're all adorable, but this one's adorable too. This has a background of bees buzzing around, and there's some clouds in the background on this one. And again, you can see what I cut out and the little shape sprinkles there. So again, a thank you and a happy birthday, and you'll notice I did that in purple because the cardstock I used on here was purple. Now this I used black as the ink color to stamp it, just because the blue I had just did not show up as well. So again, cute little bees in the background. This is a honeycomb, and then there's my SVG and the little shape sprinkles. Isn't this going to be a great set of cards to give away? I think this is fabulous. And then here's the final one. Obviously orange is the cardstock color, so I used orange ink for this sentiment. The shape sprinkles, I just put a butterfly because there are the most adorable butterflies on the back of the here. And this is just a pretty background, just little asterisk star kind of thing. So if you would like to see how I made these cards, I will have a process video coming out on my channel, so don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when it comes out. And I show you how I go through cutting the paper and everything. I don't make the SVG just because it was time consuming, but go ahead and see that tomorrow. And if you would like to get this card sketch, go to the link in the description box to go to the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and she had a video to show you how she made the card, and it tells you how you can download the cutting guide. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. It was such a fun card sketch. You are going to love this one. That is what I have for you today. Have a fabulous day.